we're out here filming this USA Insulation video that we're doing for the TV show, but one of the cool things that we're about to do is something we've never done before. So I've got Christy Klinger here with USA Insulation. So we're drilling holes, which is what they normally do already. We're going to inject the foam, and on the other side we've got plexiglass that we're going to try to show what it looks like going through, but
from the bottom.
Coming up from the bottom.
Yep.
But because this is somewhat pressurized,
yes.
And you obviously don't have customers doing this,
no.
So we have got to seal this off, because if it's doing what it's supposed to do, it's going to want to come out.
Right, just like it comes out sometimes through outlets and etc. If it's not sealed properly, you'll see it escape.
So we have the holes. This is how you normally drill it.
Yes.
So
we've got 4 holes per cavity. We've got the 4 holes in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we've got a screwdriver in here
to mark one. So let's go on the inside and take a look at what we had Jim build it all out. It was kind of his idea to see what it looks like going through the
And we
wall.
marked where pipes are, so we don't drill into a pipe.
With the pipe, so
you'll see that on
I
the
can't
inside
wait
too.
to film this scene, because we have no idea what this is going to do. So give me your prediction. What do you think is going to happen in this wall based on...
Okay, so he's put some towels down here, so
Okay.
that's great. Because at first, when I saw the gap, I thought, oh, it's going to come out the bottom and up through here. But he's put this plexiglass, because normally this is drywall, and you can see where the drywall was cut. So it'll start at the bottom and start to rise up until it gets to this level. And then at that point, he'll put the wand in here, and it will continue to go to the next hole that we have. And then he'll fill it all the way up.
So right here, I'm noticing that this is like a 1x3 on this side. What do you think is going to happen there? Do you think it's going to come back behind all this?
Yes, it'll compress it. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It'll compress all this down to where it's one mass, and you'll see that.
And it looks like you asked him to seal this?
Yes, and also recognize you can see the gap behind here. So if there's a gap, I need to see here, look on this side. There's a little bit of a gap here, so some of it may also go behind as we're filling up this cavity.
Any chance it goes shooting out into the room at all?
Well, it looks like
You
Jim
sealed it,
except for the top. So
except for the top?
we've got a gap in the top.
The thing is, when we film this today, we got one shot.
Yeah.
We got one shot at it. So this will be interesting. We've never done anything like this before, so we're going to try to do this and see how it goes.
Exciting.
It'll be exciting. So,
Yep.
All right, Jim's over here. He's got everything set up, so we're gonna
Working on it.
Okay, so we're gonna film this thing and get everything ready to go and see how it turns out.
Actually, it makes my life easier, so that way I know where to I know where to go. I know where to start filming. So I have to freehand this because it's so tight in there.
Yeah.
It's very tight in there. So we're ready.
You put your hand over this thing, you can totally feel the AC coming out.
Yeah.
That is insane. That's how much your house leaks when you do this. So that'll be cool. See what happens when they're done putting the foam in there. Jim was just noticing that as well. Man, I'm gonna stand close to this wall right now because it's cool over here.
You should put the GoPro up to the hole and see if you can see through it. Because you can see through it.
You can on the one.
Oh yeah, you can totally see through the hole. I can see them on the other side.
All right, so they're about to start injecting into the plexiglass I put in. Hopefully I got most of it sealed up. I know I'm going to have some leaks. It's just a matter of how bad are the leaks going to be.
Go ahead and put the wand in the bottom hole, but don't turn it on yet. Get it all the way. Can you see the wand?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so that's good. So I think you can start to turn it on.
Looks cool.
Okay, so now he's going to go to that second hole.
So now they've moved up one notch and they're injecting down below the joint there and pushing the material up.
Okay, here we go. Stop.
You can go see what it looks like. I think it went well. I think it went really well. We're about to find out though.
Oh, you kept having you stop like down here and I kept pushing you up a little bit higher.
No, that's great.
You should be up right about here right now. And nothing came out here. Bottom stayed good, got just a hair bit there, hair bit here, and just that little up there. So it did way better than I thought it would. That was cool as hell.
That was good. I got it, man.
Good.
That's it.
That's excellent.
I'm proud of myself on that one.
You just take the lens cover off, right?